All right, I did not want to do this. I've had a long day and I'm just cold, and I was lying in front of the fireplace because I have to go to a basketball game. But my plan is I have to do 5 minutes in the garden a day. Just 5, that's it. So today I'm gonna be replanting these green onions that I pulled up yesterday. So I just stuck them in the bed. I was gonna bring them inside, and then I thought, oh, the best way to keep these is the way they were. Sorry, I'm unlocking this door so I don't get locked out. I was like, the best way to keep these is the way they were, right? Which is just like storing them in the soil. So I just dug a hole for them yesterday in this bed, and now they're here waiting for me. All right, so I don't know if you knew this, but garlic, you can tell, is flat-leaved. This is pretty cool. So garlic has a flat leaf, and onions have a tubular leaf. Isn't that cool? So if you're ever wondering if it's garlic or onions, circular is onion and flat is garlic. Same for chives, actually. So I'm gonna pull these. I just want the green onions. And we're gonna go replant these now. So I was thinking about where I'm gonna put them, and I want to put them in the back bed because these front beds, I have like a really fun design for planting, but I don't have as much for the back. So I thought if I put it in the back, it doesn't matter as much, you know? So here we go. Everything's looking pretty good. Going to just plant right along this line of spinach here. So I've got the spinach, I've got my planting line and a dibber. This is easy planting here, and I'm just gonna space them out in the bed. All right, so the idea is just to make a line right along the spinach greens, and that way I can protect my spinach greens from pests. And also get some green onions in the process. So I have all these. I'm just gonna separate them out. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got at least enough to do 1 per foot. I'd love to have 32 if I could. See how they all divide? It's so cool. Let's see. Oh, that's one of those garlics. Weird. 1. Have you ever seen this? Isn't this cool? It looks like one plant, but it's really tons of plants. I think I have 32. What do you think? Do I have enough to plant 2 per square foot? Let's see. All right, here we go. I'll make a hole. One per hole. Okay, so that's one side, and I'm gonna do the other side. This is what it looks like, all spread out. All right, that's it. I have no more time. Literally, I have to leave. But I did it. I got out in the garden and I planted those green onions. And now they're not gonna die. And I'm gonna have cute little rows of green onions right beside my spinach. And it's gonna be so great. So, this is your reminder. It only takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes out of your day. You can fit it in. If I can do it, you can.